Hey class! In today's video, we are going to talk about the words some, any, much, many, a lot, a little, a few. When do we use these in English, and what is a non-count noun? We use all of these words before nouns in English. There are different kinds of nouns, and today we need to focus on two different types: count and non-count. Some nouns in English you can count: apples, chairs, computers. 3 apples, 5 apples, 1 chair, 2 chairs, 4 computers, 5 computers. I can count all of these nouns. Some nouns you cannot count. We call them non-count nouns. Rice, sugar, money. We cannot say 3 rices. We cannot say 10 sugars. We cannot say 4 monies. Rice, sugar, money are all non-count nouns. Okay, so let's focus on the words some and any. We use the words some and any before plural count nouns, bananas, and non-count nouns, pasta. Here's an example. I want some bananas. I want some pasta. Both of these are good sentences in English. So, when do we use the word any? We use any when we make these sentences negative. I don't want any bananas. I don't want any pasta. I don't want some pasta? No. I don't want any pasta. Okay, what about questions? It is very common to use any in a question if the question is about information. For example, did you buy any bananas? Did she eat any pasta? But it is common to use the word some when we are making an offer or a request. Would you like some bananas? Can I have some pasta? Did you buy any pasta? Can I have some pasta? Did she buy any bananas? Would you like some bananas? Remember, we use some and any for plural, bananas, and non-count nouns, pasta. If I only want one banana, I will say, can I have a banana? Much and many are two common words we hear in the questions how much and how many. So, when do we say how much and when do we say how many? We say how many with plural count nouns. How many phones do you need? How many books did she read last month? How many cars do you own? We use how much with non-count nouns. How much money did she pay you? How much milk is in the refrigerator? How much sugar did you put in your coffee? When I want to answer these questions, I can say a big amount or I can say a little amount. It is very common to use the word a lot to say a big amount. How much sugar did you put in your coffee? A lot. I put a lot of sugar in my coffee. How many books did she read last month? A lot. She read a lot of books last month. You can see that I can answer this question with a long sentence. She read a lot of books last month. Or I can simply say a lot. There is one difference. When I say the noun after the word a lot of sugar, a lot of books, I need to say the word of. She read a lot of books last month. When I say the short answer, a lot, I don't say of. How much sugar did you put in your coffee? A lot. If the amount is little, it is possible to use much and many in the answer. For example, how many books did she read last month? Not many. This is the opposite of a lot. Not many. How much sugar did you put in your coffee? Not much. Again, I will use much with non-count nouns and many with plural count nouns. Not much, not many. I can also say a few or a little. A few for plural count nouns and a little for non-count nouns. How many books did she read last month? A few. She read a few books. How much sugar did you put in your coffee? A little. I put a little sugar in my coffee. Okay, quick review. I need some new furniture for the living room. I don't need any new furniture for the bedroom. She got some new books from the library. She doesn't need any more books. She has a lot. Did you buy any chicken? Good. Can I have some chicken? Sure. Does she want any chicken? Yes. Can she have some chicken too? Sure. Does he want any chicken? No, he doesn't want any chicken. How many books does she have? She has a lot of books. How many books does he have? He has a few books. Not many. How much milk do you need for the recipe? I need a lot of milk. I need a little milk. Not much. Do we have any milk left in the refrigerator? Yes, we have a little milk left. Do we have any oranges in the refrigerator? Yes, we have a few oranges. Okay, that is all for today's video. I hope this video helped you with the words some, any, much, many, a lot, a little, and a few. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Sam. I'll see you soon.